Video 4. Back from the wharf from Live Oak from Tony's. Out of Tony's place. On Thursday.
Jerry, what are you doing? You're down there at the very end, I see.
Well, I'm just coming back from Live Oak. Already got 10 mile point 20 in.
Oh, you pedal?
I didn't use the motor. I don't have a good motor like you do. So.
Yeah, I got a pedal bike too, but I'm just on my brake.
I never see you pedaling.
Huh?
I don't normally see you pedal.
No, not lately. It's nice having the motor. You know? I can just bomb down and then bomb home.
I can't bomb home like I want to.
You're close enough though. You don't have to go up that hill.
I do. I use the motor. I use the motor when I go up the hill, Dean.
Huh?
I use the motor when I go up that hill.
Right. That's why I have it. I got tired of pedaling up that hill. Plus it's fun.
Wow.
Something to do. I'm not feeling 100% today. I got to go back to work, but it's what it is.
You're not doing the 71 right now, my friend
I'm
John.
go do it. Really?
He said he saw you on the Live Oak bus or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna go do a 71 here.
Are you gonna do a Live Oak bus? Are you gonna do a Live Oak bus?
No, just a 71 today, and that's it. I already did my morning stuff.
Continue on video 3, Thursday, January 21st, 2021.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
12:54 p.m.
Be like you for 3 days. Not having to do much.
Right. I'm a lover, not a hater. I'm a lover, not a hater, sir.
Yeah, well, no, you're lucky to be retired.
I haven't seen that bike before.
That's a teal one. You've seen it, I think.
Okay, because the last one you
Got
had
this
to...
one, and I'm going to have a black one down here this weekend, but it's supposed to rain, so maybe.
Right.
Look at all these guys.
Wow, look at all those guys.
But it seems like a few.
Nice electric bike. How many electric bikes do you have? 4? Sheesh, I got
2. Well, you're on your way to get
this right here, and that red bike I got. It has the same wheels.
Oh, that one's electric?
Right, because it's Copenhagen wheel. Yeah, I think you forgot. I told you that I had.
So you rode that already?
No, I didn't. I still got 100% into it. I still got 100% into it. Because I'm pedaling more than I use the motor to help get rid of this fat. To get rid of the fat.
Yeah, that's a good workout. Oh, I see. Now I know why they work over there.
Why is that?
These guys crack me up. Well,
You're leaving. I was going to sit down there by you and talk to you, but
I got to go back to work.
that's too bad. I don't get to talk to anybody
I come down
today.
here about 12 every day, 12:15, about 1. So you'll see me come down by 1:15. I'll be here tomorrow. Unless it's
Do you
raining.
want me to ride with you off the wharf, or are you going to do a jam thing?
No, I'm going to go slow because I don't like the
Do you
bounces.
like me to ride with you
I
off?
don't
Because I'm
care.
getting
You
that
can
way.
if you want. You can-
I'm always nice to you.
Where'd you get all the
From the food pantry. From the good old food
Did you
pantry.
go there Friday?
No, I go there Thursday and Tuesday.
Where at?
But
Where at?
the Star of the Sea Church.
If you go down the street Friday, not this Friday, but next Friday,
Oh,
at 9 in the
okay.
morning.
I saw that, but I didn't know what that
It's
was.
food. I've gone there
is?
a couple of times. Like you get so much, but you're going to need something to carry it all in. Bring your cart.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't need that much.
Well, they're going to give you one people's worth, and you'll see it's a ton.
Ah,
You can always give it away.
12:57 heading now.
Because I can't eat it all.
Right.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm going at 12:57. Whoa, here goes my birdies. almost 96,000 weight.
Were you out here the day it was windy?
Yep. I was. Okay, into video 4 on Thursday, January 21st, 2021.